I just picked up this DJI Osmo Action 3 from DJI's website. It's the official certified refurbished version for $279 compared to $329. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, give you a quick couple thoughts, and let you know what I think. Doesn't look too bad. Everything looks good. Everything looks fresh, new. It's got this protective ring here. I wouldn't recommend keeping that ring on while you're doing anything action sport related. It could fall off. I believe it's just there for easily removing this lens if need be. It just screws right off like that. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Got all our instructions. We got our battery. Couple stickers. Got our charging cable. We got an adhesive sticky mount. And this is what I'm most excited about here. The new mounting system compared to the GoPro. Definitely looking forward to that. We got the case. Pretty cool design. Oh, got an extra one of those lens rings. And the purpose of this is for shooting vertical. Not too bad, not too bad. So basically, that's what you get for $279 compared to $329. So basically, I'm pretty much the worst at buying things. I always wait till the wrong time. I just ordered this, and literally the next day, my phone blows up with all the leaks for the Osmo Action 4, which I knew was about time for a new camera. But is it going to be significant for the price of what they're asking? These are just leaks, nothing's official, but they're talking about $399 for the base camera. This one on Refurbished is $329 and $279 for the Refurbished. So is it going to be significant enough for the $400 that they're asking for that camera? As of now, the leaks are talking about a larger sensor. Other than that, everything's basically the same. So I'll let you guys know what I think. I'm going to put it through some tests. If I have run into any issues, I'll update the description. I'll leave it in the comments, whatever. And thanks for watching.